Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn Company. It's Wednesday, March 30th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You are coming into a big crop report tomorrow. The market has been trading for it for a couple weeks now. So tomorrow at 11, we will see U.S. quarterly stocks and planting intentions, and it is sure to move the market. Usually it moves the market in large swings. Last year was one of those first years we just didn't see much come out of that report, but usually it's good for, about 40 cents in beans and 20 cents in corn of a movement. So today you saw that selling pressure across the board for grains in general, also in meats. I think you saw funds come in here and sell aggressively. There was no news to really indicate there was a big reason to sell off beans and corn. Wheat, there was a slight change into the forecast. Looks like maybe not as cold, maybe a little bit more moisture coming into some winter wheat areas, and because of that, your wheat started the day off 7 to 14 cents lower about hour into trade. So that really set the tone, and then you found the selling pressure in beans, and with wheat and beans both lower, it was able to bring corn down with it too. So corn down 6 to 7, beans down 7 to 8, and wheat down 7 to 15, the lower being in the Kansas City. So you're coming into tomorrow's report. It's at 11, like I said. Trading before it is sure to be choppy. You might see even a little bit of profit taking from funds in beans as they've been aggressive buyers. They have not been as aggressive in corn and wheat as they have been in beans there. Fundamentally, nothing's changed really all that much into these grains. So it's really been technical driven. You did still close above the 200-day moving average for May soybeans. So there's that. And you have been trading technical wise on these markets for a while, but you'll get a big chunk of fundamental news, and the market's going to pay attention to that and trade off of that. Moving into the meat market, also saw selling pressure there. You came in with some news of maybe on average cattle coming in about 9 pounds heavier a head. That puts you about 6% above last year's kills at this time weight wise. And so you're having that pressure there. At one point, feeder cattle limit lower of $4.50, bounced off that, but closing down $3.50 to $4 there. Live cattle down over $2, and then hogs, they could not fight the selling pressure. Maybe a little bit of fun selling them also. They were down $1.50 to $2 there. Fundamentally, hogs still seem to be supported as you're coming in on one of the smallest kills expected this week since New Year's. So there's that. Outside markets were actually friendly towards grains and meats, but there just wasn't enough to trade off of that. The dollar was down about 40 cents at one point and then came back being down 20 cents. Crude was up higher, and then you got a report out that you grew your production, not as much as expected, but enough that it put pressure on it, and being up about $1.20, it came down to only being up about 20 cents there. So other than that big report tomorrow, we'll have that update there. If you have any other things, you are sure to give us a call. But I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trading futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.